Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the Amazon Prime Video app on your Windows 10 device. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, of how to use the progressive web apps that are included in Windows 10 to our advantage in installing the Amazon Prime app to our computer. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by navigating over to Prime Video, which is Amazon's domain here. In the description of my videos, just copy it and then go up to the address bar and paste it in, and then select the three-dotted horizontal icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. Just left click on that and then select Apps. Select Install this site as an app. You can change the name of this app installation if you choose to do so, otherwise select Install, and then just give it a moment here. And then once that is done, you should be able to search for it directly in the start menu. So if I just typed in Prime, it may take a moment or so before it actually shows up in the start menu search results, because that's just from my experience, it does take a little bit of time. But otherwise, you can see now it says Welcome to Prime Video directly in our start menu. So if we went ahead and opened that up, you can see we have the app right here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Pretty cool too. And as always, thanks for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.